Welcome back to the MagHealy training. The third part covers the MagHealy McMakin application, which is particularly suitable for some application areas due to the use of interference effects of dual frequencies. The MagHealy McMakin application originates from the many years of experience of the American researcher and chiropractor Carolyn McMakin. She is known worldwide in professional circles for her method of frequency-specific microcurrent, or FSM. The MagHealy McMakin application contains Carolyn McMakin's 24 most important protocols that have been thoroughly researched and tested in her practice. While Carolyn McMakin's FSM method works via microcurrent, MagHealy transmits the protocols in the McMakin application at the bioenergetic level via magnetic fields. This is one of the main features of the McMakin application. Two frequencies are always transmitted simultaneously via two different magnetic fields. The first frequency defines the area or target of the application, whereas the frequency of the second magnetic field targets the topic to be worked on. This is why McMakin application protocols are very focused and effective. The McMakin programs can be used in many different ways. Their main purpose is to harmonize the bioenergetic field and thus increase well-being. Especially popular is the Brain Harmony program, which is designed to balance the influence of many bioenergetic stress factors. This program can also be successfully combined with the Vagus Harmony program, as the vagus nerve provides relaxation and controls many processes in the body. Often, the emotional balance of a person has been affected, in which case the emotions program can be used. But in general, you simply choose the programs according to your needs by their names and descriptions. The programs can be used several times a day, several different ones per day if you like. The placement of the MagHealy device depends on the application you're planning. If local areas are affected, for example the joints, lower back, or digestion, then you place MagHealy on that affected area. For brain harmony, it is best to place MagHealy on the abdomen. The abdomen is also the ideal position for all other non-local programs, that is, all programs that do not relate to a specific part of the body. These include, for example, sleep, detox, or after exercise. This is a 2-week application plan for the McMakin harmonization programs designed to bring better vitality and wellness to everybody's life on a daily basis. These programs are based on extensive practical experience, and they have been used millions of times around the world. They can be used at different times of the day, both before and after a stressful day, as well as for emotional support and balancing for optimal sleep. Alternatively, the program Sleep can be performed every day before going to bed. After a workout or after competitive sports, we additionally recommend the After Exercise program. This cycle can be repeated as needed or even adapted to your own weekly schedule. Here's a tip. Drink a glass of water before and after use, and generally make sure you stay well hydrated throughout the day. And here's another tip. When doing so, use MagHealy Water's water activation programs whenever possible to best support the McMakin harmonization programs. You see, the MagHealy McMakin application is a great help for a variety of applications, and every MagHealy user should study it in depth. We hope you enjoy the MagHealy McMakin programs.